Uh, so you reinstalled it again, your virtual machine?
No, no. What I've done is I kept the same settings which was before only, which was how it was before. So I'm able to, not in the virtual machine, I'm able to connect from outside through WinSCP.
Very good, very good. And what about, okay, that's fine, absolutely fine. So you extracted it, right? Do you have
Yeah,
Java on your, do you have Java on your machine? Can you please see which Java?
in normal local,
Okay.
right?
No, no, just give the
Oh,
command
this
which
one.
Java.
Okay, this one. User
User
bin
bin
Java.
Java. Now, can you please check the version? No, directly you can give Java space hyphen version.
Yeah.
User bin which means it is in the path. Oh, it's a very old version of Java, 1.4,
Yeah. 1.4.
which will not work in our case. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to set the Java path. Now, if you look at the installer that I have given you, I have given you the path, Java as well. Can you go inside CDB 10? Yeah. Okay, can you see the JRocket JDK? Now, this JRocket JDK is nothing but a JDK provided by Oracle. Okay,
Okay.
like you have Sun Java, you have IBM Java, right?
Yeah.
Similarly, we have JRocket Java, which is a proprietary or trademark copyright product of Oracle.
Okay.
Okay, so you can go to CD JRocket JDK, that thing, enter PWD. Now this is the Java home directory.
Home path.
Okay,
Yeah.
now to set the Java, what will you do? Now that Java version that you are having on your system is too old,
Yeah, we
which
need
will,
to give this home path as this one.
okay, but where will you do that? How will you do that?
Environment variables.
Perfect. So you'll have to set this into environment. So copy that path.
I have created in the root WebLogic folder and I have extracted here. It's fine, right?
Yes, absolutely fine. Wherever you
With
need.
root, I think it is with root user.
Yes, that is fine. That is fine. Okay. So now how do you add into environment variable? Go to the home directory of root. So this slash WebLogic is inside your this thing, right?
Inside root.
Root.
Yeah.
Inside root, absolutely perfect. Okay. Uh, CD, give only CD enter or CD space tilde, yeah. Okay. Now here you must be having a bash dot profile. Okay, that is a hidden file.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. So just open that bash dot profile dot bash underscore profile. Again, copy that part before. No, it's a file. You'll have to do a VS. Okay. If don't give enter, first copy that path. Again, you will need that path, right? Yes. Okay. So here you can give path. Okay, dollar path, dollar home. Yeah. Go to the end of it. Colon. Give colon.
1 second.
You can directly press A. When you press A, it will go to the next, next word, and it will go into insert mode.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can paste it here. Slash bin. Okay.
Okay.
Export path is done. No, wait. We'll have to define home also, Java home also. Okay. So before that, this bash dot profile reads line by line. So before path, give Java underscore home is equal to before path, yeah, in caps. No, not there. Copy our path. Not win. Not win. Okay. Enter and export Java underscore home. No. Export space Java underscore home. Okay. Now just give one enter so that we can distinguish that. Okay. Perfect. Absolutely fine. Now you can save and come out of it. Now what you do? What do you do when you do changes in the bash profile?
Just you want me to take the backup before?
No. Whenever
Oh,
you
you
do
are
changes,
asking. Okay, we have given the Java home path as the JRocket JDK bin, and we are exporting the to Java home.
perfect. Right. So after doing changes in dot bash underscore profile or dot profile, we must source such changes. Okay, like in your application server, if you do any changes, you restart your application, right?
Yes,
For the
correct.
changes to take effect. Now in Linux, whenever you do changes in the profile file, whether it is a dot bash underscore profile or a dot profile, you will have to source those changes in order to take that effect. Okay, so how do you source that changes? The command is source, S-O-U-R-C, source.
1 second.
Space dot bash underscore profile. I hope you are writing whatever I am saying as well.
Yeah, 1 second. I haven't written it. Let me note down.
Please note it down. So see, this is actually how it works in real-time environments.
Yeah.
Okay, if you go to any company, you will not find anything, anything that is set outside bash.profile. Everything is set inside bash.profile or dot profile, whatever
My
you
finger
use.
is whenever we change the bash profile or
Bash profile or profile, we must source the changes. Source means it is saving these changes for user root, and these changes will be for user root, whichever session you might open. Permanent changes.
okay. What is the command? Source and
Source
all,
space dot bash underscore profile or dot profile, whichever file you are changing.
Okay.
Okay, now you can give enter. Okay, now give Java underscore echo space dollar Java underscore home. $. We did source, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just go to bash.profile again and remove that trailing slash? We should never give slash.
1 second. Okay. You want me to again open this file?
Just remove that trailing slash at the end.
Okay.
In the Java home, if you look at that, there is a trailing slash, right? Never give slash if you're setting a path. Okay, now just save and come out of it. Okay, now just source it once again. Okay, now give Java home.
Source means it will restart the Java or
No, source means it will make that changes permanent. Okay, for root user in whatever session you take. If I log into your server using root, for me Java home will always be /WebLogic BE 1066 JRocket JDK.
It makes
Okay.
changes to the Java and
It will make changes to the profile of that user.
okay.
So whenever that user logs in, for him the Java will always be this. Okay, every user that you create in Unix has its own profile. Okay, so once you change anything in the profile of that particular user, then for the changes to take effect, every time you log in, you should get that result only. For that purpose, we do the source. We source the profile.
Okay, and anytime if I want one more Java to be written, I mean to be used by the application, can we make it two different?
You will see. It will depend. I mean, like which one precedes. Now, if you did a source here, right now, can you do a Java version here? See which one has taken precedence. See, it is still 1.4 because this is a system Java.
Okay.
That would only see, but yes, if you want to use multiple Java for your system, for your application, it is very much possible because every application has its own environment file, setup file, right?
Okay.
So in that you can change the Java path.
Okay.
You will change the Java path. You should not have any issues at
all. Okay. One second.
So I can have WebSphere, I can have WebLogic, I can have JBoss. Now I can use WebSphere with IBM Java. I can use WebLogic with JRocket. I can use JBoss with Sun Java. I can install different paths, and I can give that path to in the configuration file of my WebSphere, JBoss, and WebLogic.
Yeah, okay.
So now what we will do is we will see the installation of WebLogic. Now understand one thing. The installer that I have given to you is a jar installer, generic jar installer, which means this can be installed, this jar can be installed in Linux, it can be installed in Windows, it can be installed in Solaris, AX, or Apple, or whatever OS you want. Okay, it's a generic jar file. There is no, like we have dependency, right? exe can be run only on Windows.
Yeah.
Right? It can be run on Windows. Similarly, you do have installer, Unix specific installer, which has extension as .bin, bin.
Okay.
Okay, so those installers can only be run in Unix machines. Nowadays you will find these generic installers because these generic installers can be installed on any OS. There is no dependency of OS. Okay. Now to run, if you just go back, just do ls7 lrt. Do ls7 lrt. Oh, you have to go to that WebLogic directory. Sorry. Perfect. So if you see the file name which says WLS1036 generic.jar. Okay. Now this jar file to run, you need a Java on your system.
Yeah.
Okay, to run a jar file, you need a Java on your system. Now that you already have Java on your system, you can run this file. Okay. Now installation can be done in 3 modes. Okay. One is the GUI mode, which anyone can do.
Okay.
Okay. One is command line mode. Okay, which is done 99.9, almost 100% of the time. The installation is done via command line or console mode, we call it as, in every company, in every organization. Okay.
Okay.
And the third one is called a silent mode. Okay, if you look at that, there is a silent.xml that I have given you. Okay, it's just an example for it. Okay, so you have to generate or create this silent.xml and run this silent.xml, and you can do the installation. But this silent.xml is generally not preferred, because you'll have to create if you are a beginner, what will you give in silent.xml?
I'll
For
give you
that,
the installation path.
which one, sorry?
I'll give you the way to install the path and from
No,
where to
there are
type
so
the
many.
variables.
No,
Okay.
there are. It's not about the installation, but there are so many things we configure while doing this thing,
Okay.
installing WebLogic. Okay, so for using silent.xml, you have to be an expert in WebLogic.
Okay.
Okay, then only you can, if you can open that silent.xml. This is just for your reference. If you want, you can refer it. Okay, we'll be doing the installation using console mode, plus command line mode. These are the things you have to give everywhere. This thing. That's the reason it's better to.
Okay.
Okay, so it's not an easy task for a beginner like us. Okay, it's
Okay.
tough. It's tough for beginner like us. It's easy for people who have enough experience. Okay, so now what we will do is we will install the WebLogic the way I do in my environments.
Sure.
Okay, so how to run the jar file?
Jar hyphen.
No, that is to extract. You mean to say jar hyphen
Yep.
xvf, right?
Not XVF one. Yeah, I forgot this one.
That's fine. To run any jar file, the command is java space hyphen jar space the jar file name. That will execute that jar file.
Okay. 1 second. The Java.
Space
Okay.
hyphen jar
1 second. Okay. You mean the jar
space.
file name?
Yes, jar file. Yes, just give enter. Okay, hold on. Now over here, if you give enter, just because it's secure CRT, it can by default go into the GUI mode. Okay,
Okay.
just give enter. Let us see. Enter. Cannot open display. That means perfect. So what you can do is you can give space, up arrow, space hyphen mode is equal to console, which means it will not use the graphical interface on your system. Okay,
Okay.
it will start in console mode. Okay, enter. So in putty, if you give without console, by default it will go into console mode. But now that the terminal that you are using is secure CRT, so by default GUI is enabled in that. But I don't know in your case why it is not. So you can just hit enter.
Oh, 1 second. I'm noting down this.
Yeah, please. That is very important.
Okay, I can give enter, right?
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
The required JDK for installation 1.6. The JDK currently running is 1.4.2. Oh my goodness. So now, okay, do echo space dollar path. Okay, now go to cd / WebLogic B 10.3. Yeah, JRocket JDK. Okay, enter. CD bin. Okay, now Java. No, not Java space -jar / WebLogic. This path. WebLogic B 10.3. WLS 1036. WLS. No, not JRocket. The jar file path will have to you, right? WLS 1036. Enter. Yes. Okay.
iPhone.
Up arrow -1 mode is equal to console. What the hell? Okay. Now can you just do Java space hyphen? Okay. No, Java space hyphen version.
I think still it is taking the old one.
Still it is taking the old one. That means you have this is not taken precedence. Okay. Okay. Do one thing. Go to your source profile. Bash profile. I mean bash profile. CD. No. It's not here. CD tilde or CD enter. Yeah. vi.bash _ profile. But we are into that Java path. It should have taken that Java. Your Java, I don't know if it got corrupted or what. Okay, anyways. So, okay, export Java path. In that path equal to u $Java _ home, path equal to no, before path, dollar path, before dollar path,
1 second.
before dollar path.
Yeah, 1 second. Just
Mm-hmm. No. Let it be. That's fine. That's not an issue. You don't have to copy it. You can directly give it.
okay.
Just below that
Path
dollar,
equal to?
before dollar. Path equal to $Java _ home.
Okay.
/bin.
Colon, right?
No, /bin. Okay, colon now. Now colon. Okay, now remove that Java bin path after home. This thing. The other Java bin path that we have given, /WebLogic, be it in 5364. No, not that. Escape U. Yes, hold on. Yeah. Just remove that WebLogic B103664 JRocket bin.
This whole thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Remove that colon as well. Yes. Now save and come out of it. Okay. Now do source. Okay. Now do Java space hyphen version. See, your Java is corrupted. Can you see that?
Cannot execute binary file.
Cannot execute binary file because your Java is corrupted. That is the reason it is not taking it. Okay. Can you extract this 10th B, whatever I have given in another path?
Okay.
Well, it got corrupted while downloading or maybe while transferring. Do you understand?
Yeah.
That's the reason it says cannot execute binary file.
This one is WebLogic. Which version? It's
10.3.6. This is the most stable version.
okay.
If it doesn't work, then you will have to again. Was your download interrupted when you did it?
Download interrupt twice, but I have done it again freshly.
Okay.
I think while extracting might be any problem.
Yes, let's see.
Otherwise, I need to download it again.
Yes. Let's see. No. Tar hyphen. No.
Shall I interrupt?
Yes, interrupt it. Remove that. Tar hyphen ZXVF.
Oh, zip right, yeah. It's taking more time.
Later. Did it take this much time last time also?
Yeah, but not this much time.
Okay.
I think that might be corrupted while extracting. Yes, done.
Okay. Now just go to slash. No, sorry. Go to that directory. My mistake. Okay, LS7LRT. Okay, P CD B 10.3 CD JRocket CD bin. Now do Java version. Java. Oh. Oh, why it is taking this? Okay. Can you go to profile, bash profile? Okay, do one thing. Slash WebLogic. Slash WebLogic. No. Just no. Don't do CD. Slash WebLogic underscore 1036 B 10.3 1 MP64 JRocket JDK slash bin slash Java. Just enter it. Cannot execute binary file. Why does it say this? Okay, LS7LRT Java. No, LS7LRT Java. Oh, wait, sorry. LS7LRT slash that Java, that entire path. Yeah. Just do MD5 or check some CHK, SU. Okay, paste it, enter. MD5. No, don't type it. Yeah, okay, enter. Why does it say cannot execute them? That is a good question. Okay, go to cd slash WebLogic underscore 1036 JRocket JDK cd jrocket jdk dot no, go back. Dot slash, there is one, no, not two, only one directory back. jrocket jdk 1.6 something is there, right?
Yeah. No need to go into directory.
No, jrocket jdk 1.6 directory dot 1 dot jdk 1 dot, enter. cd bin. I don't understand why. See. The problem is, if you look at that, the directory structure, it is getting installed by some other. It should be installed by root, right?
Yeah, it is getting by 536, I think.
Yes. What is that 536? LS7 LIT. See, this is the problem.
Is buying by other user or what? I'm not sure.
Do you have any other user?
No, only I have installed with this root user only.
Because if you look at this, this is the reason. Okay, do one thing. cd chon, yes. Underscore.
Now it came with root.
Yes. Now see WebLogic underscore 1036. Now go to slash WebLogic 10 yeah. jrocket jdk. No, jdk bin. Just go Java, enter. No, you don't. You'll have to remove that cd. And don't type. Okay, now let's just do JAV tab.
Yeah, I'm doing that only.
Yes, enter. What the hell? Now the permission is also of root. Go to cd/user bin. Enter. LS7 LIT. Okay. LS7L Java. Okay. Now do one thing. ln hyphen s slash WebLogic underscore 1036 slash jrocket jdk. That's no to give in space Java, enter. File exists. Why does it say file in Java? Okay. RM Java. Yes. Now you up arrow, enter. Up arrow, yeah, enter. Okay. Okay, now can you give Java space hyphen version? honest. This JRocket JDK itself is corrupted.
Oh, maybe I need to download again.
Yes, you don't have any other option. Or do one thing, instead of doing that, internet works over here
Yeah.
on your Linux machine, virtual machine.
Virtual machine. I don't think so because I changed this one again back.
Because if that is the case, we can install Java on your virtual machine, right? And we can set that path.
Okay.
Because that download will take a lot of time. It's over a GB.
Okay. Yeah, download will take at least half an hour.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. See if you can install or download Java.
I mean local machine.
No, not your local
Sorry,
machine.
virtual machine.
Yes.
Okay. Again,
Okay.
internet gone.
What else? What we can do is you can install JDK 1.6 on your Windows machine and WinSCP over here.
Okay.
Your WinSCP is working, right?
Yeah, WinSCP is working. Okay, we'll
Yes.
try that.
Yeah. Install or download JDK 1.6
Okay.
for Linux.
I don't know why my system got hacked.
And okay. Yours is 34-bit or 64-bit?
64-bit.
For Linux 64-bit, not Windows.
Yeah.
JDK, we went JDK. And that is RPM. Yeah, that one. Yeah, that is the Java Development Kit JDK 1.6. No, Java, yeah, Development Kit Win1, whichever, yeah, JDK 6.
Java as a development kit 6. This
Yes,
one.
yes, yeah, 6.1. Any 6 version.
Okay.
Which one is
This
that?
one.
Just
JDK.
sure. You don't have tar.gz packet Solaris x86. It has to be Linux. What is your what is your this thing? Go to your machine. What is it?
Which one? I mean, Linux machine, Windows one?
Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So just check your Linux version. No, no, uname. We'll have to give uname FNA. It's I6, I386, I686. So you'll have to search for that. This is a problem. This thing is old version, right? The desktop, the Linux version that you have.
Okay. Do you have this Linux? Otherwise, I can do it tonight.
No, see, even if I have Linux, if I have to transfer it to it will take ages.
Okay.
Okay. So what you can do is you can download CentOS or Fedora ISO image, and then you can configure the virtual machine.
Okay.
That should be better, I guess. If you can do that, because this is the reason, and then maybe we already have the installer. We can download the latest version of Java and check. Or maybe what you can do is you can do both things: install Java, create a new virtual machine as well, and download the installer again and try to run it.
Okay.
Both
I
things you
think
can do.
everything can work, but if I download the installer, that would be fine. I think so. I
Yes,
think that
download
would
the
be
installer, and please don't pause it in between.
No, I'm not paused. Yesterday it got corrupted twice when I was downloading. Again, I kept it for the third time. It got downloaded.
Okay, so let it download. Okay, the network should not break because you are downloading it from the drive, right?
Yeah.
So that's the reason it has to be this thing. And this is a very common case. This is a very common case. I mean, like 70% of the student whom I have provided an installer have been corrupted.
Oh, okay.
So this is a very common case for me. But then you'll have to take care of that. You'll have to install this thing. So yes, maybe we can meet tomorrow with this the same stuff if you are done.
Sure,
Okay,
sure.
we'll
What
continue
I'll
tomorrow
do
because
is
now
I'll remove this again. I'll install the. I'll download that one.
yes. Okay, and when you download it, see if it is working on your Windows machine or not. Check that as well.
Okay. Windows machine. I mean, you mean to unzip there?
Yeah, you unzip there and just run that Java command from the location.
Okay.
JDK pin and see if it is working there.
Okay.
Okay, if it is working there, it must work on Linux also. Then you can check on Linux if it is working or not. Please ensure that download happens at one go.
Yeah, sure. I'll make sure that.
Okay, so that's fine. So we'll meet tomorrow because without this we cannot proceed.
Yeah, fine. I'll do that tonight.
Yeah, so we'll meet tomorrow then, same time. Okay.
Sure. Okay. Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye. Have a good night.
Yeah. You too.